Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Thanks again for being a supporter on my Patreon page. I really appreciate it. I hope you got my message the other day about something that Patreon has to do about sales tax, which in New Zealand we're referring to, I guess, as GST. There was a message about that I sent out, and there'll also be a message from Patreon about that. So yeah, look for your message and you'll see my kōrero about that. Okay, so today I wanted to tell you, just probably it's going over some things that we've done before, but I'm trying to sort of keep the beginning learners and the people that are a little bit further down the track all happy. So this will probably work for everyone. It's just the difference between yesterday, now, and tomorrow. So this one is yesterday, this is now, right now, and this is tomorrow. And the pronunciation is a, e, I, o, u. You can go a, e, I, o, u. That's the sign language vowels as well. I, na, hi. Inanahi, inanahi. So inanahi means yesterday. When we don't have a macron or a double vowel, we put the emphasis on the first syllable, inanahi, inanahi, and that means yesterday. And this one means now. It doesn't mean today, it means now. So naya, nei. Naya, nei is now. And so the emphasis is on this beginning bit because there's a macron. Naya, nei. So it might seem like, oh, there's a lot of vowels in there and there's 3 in a row here, but you just break it at every vowel and it makes it much easier. So now is naya, nei, naya, nei. And the best way to learn and not worry about all those vowels is to listen and then copy. Listen and copy, and your brain is then hearing your mouth saying it, and that's how you'll learn. It's not so much about, writing down and making notes or just looking. You have to listen and also copy. Naya, nei. So don't worry too much about what the spelling looks like, just practice saying naya, nei. Naya, nei means now, and start using that naya, nei in the right context. It can be like really the answer to a question. When are we leaving? Naya, nei. And then this one is tomorrow. This has got 3 macrons on, and it's kind of each syllable is actually stressed the same. A, po, po. A, po, po. A, po, po. And that means tomorrow. Apopo, and that's a lovely word. I really like that word, apopo. Tomorrow always has lots of treasures in store, doesn't it? Okay, see you next time. Ka kite.